back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Your starting lineup for your rookies. Starting on the pole, Caden Cunningham. Starting second, Owen Drury. And starting third is Caleb Glassford. Elite Racing 602 late model. Your feature is next. Make your final adjustments and bring them to stage. And Owen Drury here in the rookies. Currently, your leader caution is out. Caution for Caden Cunningham. Just lost his left rear. Went over there and turned forward and still rolling down there towards a tree. So we're going green this time for the rookies. We have one lap down. Owen Drury and Caleb Glassford. Owen Drury's got 2 wins on the season here. They're 15 of Caleb Glassford there into the staging area. Steel green is out. .602 Elite Late Model Racing Series. Your feature is next. Your feature is next. White flag in the air. One more time for Owen Drury, looking for win number 3 on the season. Checkered flag in the air for Madison Heights, Owen Drury. Your Winner Owen Drury. Second, Caleb Glassford. And third will be Caden Cunningham. Elite Racing Series, your feature is up now. Your feature is up now. So Owen Drury, your winner here in the rookies. It's the 602 Elite Racing Series race will be coming up here next. I'll get a word with Owen Drury down here in Victory Lane.